Figure 1 shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation this. The finite region R, shown shaded in Figure 1, is bounded by the curve, the x-axis, the line with equation x equals 1, and the line with equation x equals 4. Complete the table with the value of y corresponding to x equals 3, giving your answer to 4 decimal places. Use the trapezium rule with all the values of y in the completed table to obtain an estimate of the area of the region R, giving your answer to 3 decimal places. Use the substitution u equals 1 plus root x to find by integrating the exact area of R. So here's the question then. So the first thing is to just work out this value here. So let's just do that then for 3. So it's 3 over 1 plus root 3, so 3 divided by bracket 1 plus the square root of 3. We need to work that out to 4 decimal places. 1.0981, 1.0981, put that in then. 1.0981, that was to 4 decimal places. Now we can use the trapezium rule, part B. So let's paste it in then. Here it is here. So here's our integral between 1 and 4, isn't it? From the table of data values. So let's put them in. So B is 4, A is 1. So B minus A will be 3. Now the ordinates, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, so there's 3 intervals. So N is 3. So h equals 1. So h over 2, let's just put that in. 1 over 2 is a half. So it's equal to a half. Then we've got the first plus the last. 0.5 plus 1.3333. Plus 2 times all the ordinates in between. 0.8284 plus 1.0981 plus, oh, that's it, there's only 2 in between. The 2 ordinates in between, there we go, close bracket, so equals. So let's do this on the calculator then. It's a half, or 0.5 times bracket, and then it was 0.5 plus 1.3333. So 0.5 plus 1.3333 plus 2 times open bracket 0.8284 plus 1.0981 close that bracket, close the bracket for the whole thing, equals 2.843 2.843, and that was to 3 decimal places. Okay, now part C, use this substitution to find R exactly. So part C, u is equal to 1 plus the square root of x, so du dx then will equal, this will go to 0, x to the half is a half, x to the minus 1 half. So it's equal to 1 over 2 square root x. Okay, so that's what we've got then. So the integration then, I, is equal to the integral between 1 and 4 of x over, let's remind ourselves what it was, 1 plus root x, that's it, dx, that's what we've got, is equal to. Now, it's the integral. Now, the x can be replaced by 1 over 2 root x times, oops, not that, sorry, let's just change that. It will be dx goes up, the 2 root x can be up here, so it's 2 root x du, so we've got there. Underneath here we've got 1 plus, we've got u, and x is going to be, if we square u minus 1 here, u minus 1 equals the square root of x. So that tells us that x is equal to u minus 1 squared. Expand the bracket, u squared minus 2u plus 1 if we need to. So we've got on top, we've got x, wasn't it? So that was u minus 1 squared. U minus 1 squared. Now this root x is just u minus 1, isn't it here? Root x is u minus 1, so this can be a third, power 3 rather, and we can get rid of that. So there's our integral then. Okay, so we times this by another u minus 1, so that's equal to, so it will be u cubed, so times that by u minus 1, u minus 1 cubed is u cubed. Well, it's Pascal's triangle, isn't it? Let's just do it here. There's the cube line, so it'll be u cubed, u squared and u, and there'll be minus 1 cubed is minus 1, minus 1 squared is plus 1, and minus 1. So these are the terms of the u minus 1 cubed. U cubed minus 3u squared plus 3u minus 1 du times by 2 all over u. Split the fraction up then. It's 2 the integral of u squared is the first one, minus 3u plus 3 minus 1 over u du. Now the limiting values is 1 and 4. So when x is 1, let's just work it out here. What does u equal? 1 plus root 1 is 2. And when x is equal to 4, u is equal to 1 plus root 4 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's between 2 and 3. So let's put them in. Now we're going to evaluate it. So that's equal to then 2 u cubed over 3 minus 3 u squared over 2 plus 3u. Just integrating all these power terms minus the log of u between 2 and 3. So let's have a look at what this is then. It's 2 times the whole thing. Top value, 3 cubed is 27 over 3 is 9, minus 3 squared is 9, 27 over 2, plus 3 3's are 9, minus ln 3, that's the top value, minus, put the 2 in, 8 thirds, and then put the 2 in here. 2 squared is 4, 4 over 2 is 2, minus 6, put 2 in here, plus 6, minus ln 2, close bracket, and then the brace at the end. So that's equal to 2 times, so we've got 18, these two will cancel. We've got minus log 3 plus log 2, which is going to be log of 2 thirds, because we can minuses divide. This is a plus, take away log 3. We've got an 18 here, 18, that's that one and that one. We've done that one and that one. So it's 18 minus 27 over 2 minus 8 thirds plus this. So what does that equal then? 2 lots of over 6, because we need to do 6, don't we? 6, that's 108. 60 and 6 eighths are 48. So 108 over 6 minus 3 of these is 81. And then double this is 16 over 6. Plus ln 2 thirds. So 108 minus 81 is 27. 27 minus 16 is 11. So it's 2, 11 over 6 plus ln 2 thirds. Easy to make a mistake there. Be worth double checking that if there were time in the exam.